Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a 4-port USB hub. As you can see on the bottom left hand corner of the screen, I have one. I bought this a few years ago. I just bought this one today. If you saw my previous video, that one-handed gaming keyboard, which I still have hooked up by the way, I bought it from the same place, Five Below. So I am going to turn the camera down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you why this is very useful. Now let's say you have a bunch of things plugged into your computer. Let's say you have one computer for gaming and work and to do what you need to do, but you don't want everything running at the same time. So here's how this works. You take this, I'm going to put it right here so you can see it. I'm going to plug it in here, just like this. And now it's going to be recognized. Okay. Alright, so it does recognize it. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to actually plug it directly in. No, I don't need to do that. So I am going to take this from the gaming keyboard and I'm going to plug it in here. Now unfortunately sometimes the lights do not work on this. So that is on, and I'm going to take the keyboard that's plugged into the main one and I'm going to disconnect that, as you just heard, and I'm going to plug that into this port right here. I'm going to show you something. And as you see, it came back up. So both of the keyboards are now on. So what I am going to do, now watch this. Right? Both the keyboards are turned off. Even though for some reason this is not turning off, it should be turned off. Okay, so I have both keyboards turned off. There we go. So now the keyboard is turned off. Right? So let's say you need to do some work. Turn that switch on and you can do work or whatever you need to do. You're done with that, you turn it off, you pop this switch on, and you're on your gaming keyboard. Now why is this useful? The reason this is useful, as I stated earlier in the video, when you turn that switch off, it's like unplugging it. So yes, it's still hooked up, but you're cutting the power to it. So now everything is not turned on at the same time. It's not using any resource. If you're playing a heavy game that uses a lot of resource, you don't have to physically keep unplugging it and plugging it in. You wear down the end and you have to go buy a new keyboard, so it's easier just to buy this. So now everything is turned off. You need both on at the same time? You can do that. There you go. So now everything is turned off. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.